The Fimi X8 SE 2020 got some updates on that. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The other night I hosted Rotor Talk Live, and one of the subjects that we spent some time on was the Fimi X8 SE 2020. We discussed what type of SD cards are proper for the Fimi X8 SE 2020, the ordering status of orders with Banggood, and also when my review video would be released. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. We got some news here. Now the first thing that I wanted to talk about was the Fimi X8 SE 2020. Got some updates on that I wanted to go over with you that I thought were noteworthy. Now, the first thing that I wanted to share about the Fimi X8 SE 2020 was there's no updates from Banggood. I know, Marcus shared recently he had no changes in status, and I've been looking out on my Fimi X8 SE 2020 Facebook group, and there's been really no activity as far, because they had initially said that there was a July 10th date that some things were going to happen, that they were going to orders were going to be processed. Well, that's not happened. And I didn't watch the show last night, but I did watch rebroadcast today, and Marcus shared, he's gonna ride this out. And I know some other, Johnny was on last night, I'm sorry. And Johnny shared he canceled his order and he ended up getting a pair of Anafi from Woot, and they have a great price on them, $359. Definitely go check that out. They had a super special sale. They had Mavic minis on for $299, but that they sold out of those within minutes. They were gone. So there's really no news as far as Banggood is concerned. So I wanted to make everybody aware of that. Now, one of the questions that I've gotten a lot about regarding the Fimi X8 SE 2020 is SD cards. A lot of people were having some questions in terms of, they were having issues getting compatible SD cards. And the first thing, my first question is I always ask, do you format that in the drone? Whether you have a DJI product or, in this case, a Fimi, the first thing you need to do is you need to format that in the drone using the app, okay? And almost always they do say yes. Now, the other thing I did was I went out today and I looked in Fimi's website, and I actually went out, their owner's manual for the Fimi X8 SE 2020. It's online, and I highly recommend, if you don't have a copy of it, I'm going to drop a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and snag that here. Now, it lists here, and I'm going to bring this up here in a second, the SD cards. And I had this bookmarked, and it went a little wonky on me. So let me go ahead and find that here. All right, here we go. I found it. Now, this is what's recommended by Fimi on the X8 SE 2020, and we're going to go ahead and share this here. Okay. Note: support micro SD U3 and above, 256 gigabyte recommended to use. Okay, and it's Chinese translated to English here. Now these are the ones they recommend: SanDisk Extreme Pro V30 32 gig, SanDisk Extreme V30 32 gig, Samsung Pro Endurance 32 gig, Lexar Professional 100X 32 gig, SanDisk Extreme Pro V30 64 gig, SanDisk Extreme V30 64 gig, and Toshiba Xcaria Pro 64 gig. So these are the ones that are recommended by Fimi. And as always, that's one of the questions almost always answer with, you need to consult what the manufacturer says. And that's the same thing with DJI as well too. If you're having problems, getting your SD card formatted or recognizing it, make sure you're using a card that is recommended by the manufacturer, okay? And the card that I use is one of the manufactured cards here, recommended by the manufacturer, and the 32 gig SanDisk Extreme V30 32 gig is what I use, and it works flawlessly. I've had zero issues with that. In fact, that works on my DJI drone as well. I ordered another one. They're only $10 on Amazon. They are cheap. So and they do the job, and they do the job very well. I've had zero issues with that. So that's a card that I actually do recommend, and definitely, I'll drop, like I said, I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and have that to referencing in case you want to go ahead out there and purchase that. Now, I also I'm working on, I'm trying to get some more flight time, because the Fimi X8 SE 2020 is a great drone, but as far as it being, wind gusts have been 30, 35 mile an hour at times. Now, I trust my Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. I trust the Mavic 2 Pro, but other than that, in the winds, I don't really trust anything else that I have, and that includes the Fimi X8 SE 2020. And I know it's a solid drone, it's a stable drone, but I'm waiting for the winds to die down so I can go ahead out and actually do some more videos on that. So that's the reason you haven't seen me do like an update video on that. So I just wanted to make sure everybody knew about that. And that's basically it for the Fimi X8 SE 2020. I'm going to be doing another flight and a full-on review. And I also have some accessories that are coming, and I'm going to be reviewing those as well. So stay tuned for that. I think it's important that we all understand with this, the price of this drone, because one of the things, I've been getting a lot of questions about, should I get a Fimi X8 SE 2020 or should I get a Mavic Mini? Now, you have to realize something, okay? These are two completely different drones, all right? The price point on the Mini makes it extremely attractive. But, the Mini's biggest downfall to me is it can't handle really any kind of wind at all. If it's over 15 miles an hour, 20, forget it. It's not going to handle it. And it's a light drone. It's 249 grams. Whereas I think the Fimi can handle the 15, 20 mile an hour winds. Above that, I'm not sure. So, that's one of the things that I almost always point out to people. And the other one is the feature set. All right. Now, with DJI, you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck on that. I absolutely, no questions asked. And one of the things that you need to realize is, with the Fimi, with basically a $400 drone, you're getting a lot of bang for your buck there as well too. So it's a matter of personal style preference, and also too. I think the Fimi X8 SE 2020 is no question is a beefier drone, okay? And the Mavic Mini, like I said, I love it. It's a great drone, but you have to understand, that's not a drone that you're going to be using where there's a lot of wind and a lot of high wind. So I ask people, take these things into consideration when you're looking at things like that. Question of the day. What SD card are you using in the Fimi X8 SE 2020? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Jump into the car on a Friday.